Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many Java developers face when parsing dates using SimpleDateFormat. The issue arises when trying to parse a time string like 6 p.m., resulting in a parse exception being thrown. It can be frustrating, especially when the code seems correct at first glance. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key to resolving this problem lies in specifying the locale to be used when parsing the localized text PM. By utilizing modern Java.time classes, specifically LocalTime, we can parse the time string successfully. Taking a closer look at the code snippet provided, the solution involves using LocalTime.parse with a DateTimeFormatter that includes the pattern num SSR and is configured with a specific locale, in this case, locale.us, to handle the localized text PM. This adjustment ensures that the time string is parsed correctly without encountering any exceptions. Continuing with the solution, we can further enhance the code by creating a DateTimeFormatter with the desired pattern and locale settings. By initializing the locale as locale.us and specifying the pattern SSR, we can successfully parse the input time string 6 p.m. into a LocalTime object. In summary, by embracing modern Java.time classes like LocalTime and DateTimeFormatter with proper locale configurations, we can effectively handle parsing time strings with a localized information like PM. Remember, when dealing with date and time operations, it's essential to leverage the right tools and approaches to ensure accurate results. Well, that's a wrap for today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!